Welcome to Hit Wicket.
No, we keep talking. No, the thing is with this generation of bowlers, you have to keep talking to them. The reason being, they've got some amount of experience, but if you consider the rule changes, with fifth fielder inside, I think most of the bowlers or all the bowlers, they are very new, because experience doesn't really count at that point of time. The reason being, you have to bring the fifth fielder inside. And what we have seen is, in a particular game, a few bowlers may have off day, and that's where you have to make sure you're not giving away too many runs. Even when you bowl a bad overs, try to restrict it in between 15 to 17 runs or 18 runs. Because if you go higher than that, it has a bigger impact on the game. And what we have seen is in the last game also, from our side when we were batting, we performed in the same situation and we were able to put pressure on them. So I think in this series especially you'll see quite a few times this balance shifting, and the better bowlers, what they will do is when they're going through a bad over or a bad spell, they'll make sure they don't give away too many runs. Try to give away maybe 10 to 12 runs and try to save those extra 4 runs that can have an impact on the game.
Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button.